Introducing the Sunset Bay 3 Hot Tub from Blue Whale Spa, a sanctuary of luxury and relaxation in your own backyard. Measuring a spacious 2,000 by 2,000 by 780 millimeters, this hot tub features a stunning cloudy white marble acrylic shell, complemented by sleek grey side panels that perfectly match the included steps and insulating cover. Take control of your relaxation with the Balboa TP500 control panel, ensuring effortless customization of your hot tub experience. Immerse yourself in your favorite tunes with the built-in Bluetooth sound system, enhancing every soak with your most relaxing playlist. Experience pure bliss as the 2 kW heater, 13 amp power supply, and dual-speed WP300 pump work in harmony to provide consistent warmth and powerful hydrotherapy. With 40 rejuvenating jets and 3 tranquil fountains, the Sunset Bay 3 Hot Tub offers the ultimate relaxation experience. Indulge your senses with 18 captivating LED lights, creating an enchanting ambience for your evening retreats. Plus, with insulation included as standard, you can enjoy energy-efficient relaxation all year round. And the best part? You can bring home the Sunset Bay 3 Hot Tub on a 2-year finance plan at 0% APR, requiring just a £99 deposit. Enjoy the convenience of free delivery and professional installation, making your transition to luxury effortless. Elevate your backyard oasis with the Sunset Bay 3 Hot Tub from Blue Whale Spa. Contact us today to begin your journey to relaxation.